To quickly enhance the look of your spreadsheet, you can change the font of the text. Fonts are sets of characters, including letters, numbers, and punctuation, designed with a unified appearance. They come in different sizes and styles, such as bold and italics, offering various options to customize your text. To change a font, select the cells you want to format. Next, click the Font List drop-down arrow on the formatting toolbar. The default font is Arial. Below this, you will see recent fonts used and a list of fonts available to select. I don't see the font I'm looking for, so I will click More Fonts. The Fonts dialog box displays. I will type Calibri in the search box, select it, then click OK. The font has been changed. A common formatting task while working in Google Sheets is to change the font size of certain elements in a spreadsheet. Let's increase the font size of the column header in this table so it is easier to read. To change the font size, select the cells to format. Next, click Format on the menu. Now hover the mouse over font size. Finally, select the font size. I will select 14. The font size has been changed. Now let's look at another way to change the font size. Click in the Font Size box on the toolbar. A list of font sizes are displayed. This time I will select 18. Okay, I've realized this font size is too big. I can also use the plus and minus buttons next to the font size box to change the size. I will click the minus button a few times to decrease the font size to 12. Okay, I think this looks better. In this lesson, you learned a few ways to change the font size in Google Sheets. In this lesson, we will look at how to use more formatting techniques, including applying font effects. We have the Fortune 1000 company's spreadsheet once again. The column header's font and font size have already been formatted. It has also been bolded. If you want to unbold the cells, click the Bold Command button on the toolbar. Let's keep the headers bolded. We can change the text color by clicking the Text Color Command button, which displays the color selections. I like this blue color, so I will select it. Now let's add a background color to the cells. Click the Fill Color Command button on the toolbar. Let's select this light gray color. The table looks good, so let's wrap up this lesson here. In this lesson, you learned about font effects, including bold, text color, and fill color, which can be used to give your spreadsheets a more polished look.